Hi, so in this video we are starting with our new unit, which is AC circuits. AC circuits is a part of syllabus of first year physics students, first year BSc physics honor students, BSc electronics students, electrical engineering students, first year engineering students, and many such courses. So in this video I will introduce this whole unit. I will tell you the main difference. I will tell you what topics are important for university exams, what are experiments which you will perform in your first year and second year of graduation, and that's it. Many more things. So let's start. First of all, I must announce that I am active on the Telegram group, so join that group and also share the group link with your classmates. In that group there are students from all over India, so you can share your study material and things like that. And so let's start. Now many students will say, sir, this was the topic in class 12th also, so I know this topic well, so I can study it myself. That's very fine, but you know what is the basic difference? The basic difference between AC circuits in class 12th and in graduation is, in graduation you have to study each topic with the help of complex numbers. You cannot use integration, differentiation as you did in class 12th. You cannot use that. Okay, you have to do each and every derivation by means of complex numbers. Now there arises the problem. When you will attend your college lectures, since AC circuits will be taught by physics teachers, so most of the teacher will say, hey, so complex numbers is a part of mathematics, and I assume that you know mathematics, right? So let us proceed ahead. So AC circuits will just become a series of mathematical steps then. Okay, this is my experience and this is the experience of most of the BSc students. So that I will avoid here. I will explain each and every derivation to you along with the physics behind it, or why we are using complex numbers. First of all, when we were satisfied with integration and derivation, why we introduced complex numbers. So everything will be covered, but for that you have to watch complete playlist. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the basic concepts are same as they were in the class 12th, AC versus DC, RMS value, average value. Yeah, but few explanations will add on in each of the topic. And the chapter or the unit can be divided in two important parts. First is AC circuits and the second chapter is power factor. Okay, and in university exams, which are equivalent to the board exams, I can say university exams or college exams, whatever college you are in, the important topics are derivations on LR circuit, CR circuit and LCR circuit, which include series resonance as well as parallel resonance. So as far as your college exams are concerned and university exams are concerned, these topics are important. Whether it is engineering, it is BSc, these topics are important. On wherever numericals are concerned, numericals are about to being asked, for example, it can be your JAM exam, then questions from power factor are expected. Even in numericals of your college exams, questions from power factor are expected. So this is the important topic. This is important from the perspective of derivations. This is important from the perspective of numerical solving. Okay, now let's coming to the experiments. So in first year of BSc, most of the colleges have two experiments, LR circuit and CR circuit. Okay, and I will cover both experiments also. Of course, I do not have an experimental kit, but I have my journals along with me, so I will share each and everything with you. For example, you will say, what is there in the experiment? So let me tell you one thing. Whatever you were doing in class 12th, you were drawing diagrams like this, right, for LR circuit. Now in real life, how you will connect? You will take a resistor and you will directly enter in your connection supply, in your AC mains power supply. No, of course you cannot do it. So the circuit connection is actually very different from this. Okay, so I will cover the experiments also. So in this way, this will be a playlist of nearly 15 videos, okay, which I will try to cover by January 2021. And what I expect in return is just a good response from you. So please share these videos in your college groups and also the Telegram link as well. So see you in the next video. I hope you are excited.